Can you explain me why are you using scrap iron and waste?
With its the fact that it's iron, it's just that might be a new development, but most of it is aluminum. And last time I went to the dump, because in Florida, I can't find many things along the side of the road. And I was working with a series called Shiners, and I needed chrome for that. But I didn't need flat sheets of chrome. I needed things that already had a history, that had maybe been bulldozed, and so that they were abstract. They were abstracted by the bulldozer. And while I was there, I found this cache of old filling station signs. And so that's when I started the Gluts series. I don't know what it comes from, being from Texas or not, but a lot of our friends sort of went down the drain when both the prices went up on oil, and then when they came down, they went down the drain. But I enjoyed working with the lightweight of the material. It was almost like working with paper. And then it just continued, and now some of the materials that I find are heavier than others, but it's always they always have a history, and they've usually been colored by the sun, or at least for the second time they've been colored by the sun. They've been blanched and faded and have their own, life.
You want to intensify our senses and our view on daily normal things?
I hope so. I've never been interested in art as being an elitist. At least I don't want to be that kind of an artist, to be an elitist that makes artwork that is intimidating and foreign to anybody's environment. You can flatten that.
In the last few months, art superstars like Beuys and Warhol died. What does this loss mean to you, to the art scene, and to you personally?
It makes me very sad. Particularly, well, in both cases, I think it was. In retrospect, it seemed to be avoidable, and but particularly in Andy's case, they're investigating it now in America, and every question they ask, the plot gets blacker, and so he was really a subject of abuse. I don't know when Beuys's abuse started, maybe in Africa or something, but anyway, it makes me quite lonely. And of course I have to give it a second thought, seeing how I think that I was older than either one of them. And
in this
I think both of these people were so unique in their attitude toward the world that they'll be missed forever. And I think a new sense of evaluation about what an artist's responsibility is will occur. One with Beuys's generosity and his severe humanistic politics, and with Andy with his overwhelming sense of media. And you just have to look around you. I mostly know American artists, but nowadays, you just have to look around you, and the artists are painting more for another artist. Just as when I started, they were doing this with the abstract expressionists. Only an artist could understand a piece of art. And it looks as though it's turning back that way with some of the more popular artists. Okay, stop about here. Right. Okay, back. Yeah, this part, right, level.
So, ganz runter.
So where are you going to cross? Let me hold your hand.
Alex, ist nervös. You check.
It's heavy. You moved.
No, it's
Yeah, it's not exactly level. Up. Not everybody.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Hang on.
Oh, the valve's level.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's level.
Must be time to go home and change clothes. So the looks good, doesn't it?